So friends, let's see today's really delicious and simple restaurant style potato curry. So here I'm going to heat a pan and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now you can use regular oil, but coconut oil really elevates the flavor of this dish. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds really splutter. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of udid dal, 1 green chili cut fine. Now I use the less spicy one, so you can adjust the chili according to your taste, whether you want it more spicy, less spicy. Half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. And I'm also going to be adding a few fresh curry leaves, about 6 to 7 curry leaves, and 4 cloves of garlic that I've chopped fine. Give all of this bagar a real good mix and fry all the garlic till the rawness of the garlic goes away. Next, I'm going to add 1 medium onion that I've chopped fine. Give this a mix too and let the onion cook and soften up. Now I've taken 2 medium-sized potatoes, boiled them, peeled them and cubed them. I'm going to add that. Now I've left the instructions in the description box as well as the comment section as how to get the perfectly boiled potatoes. So especially for beginners. Mix everything really well together. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste, roughly about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. Always add less salt first and then you can taste and then add more salt, and a pinch of sugar as well. Again, mix everything really well. And now we're going to add around 1 cup of water because this is a curry. Give everything a good mix once again. And now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander leaves while the dish is getting ready, because that also elevates the flavor of this dish because the lovely coriander taste comes into the vegetable. And now you're going to cover and cook this for 10 minutes on a low to medium heat. And now you can see that it's all nice and thickened up and come together, and our lovely potato curry is all ready to enjoy. So do give this recipe a try, guys. I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.